Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I have chores that even a 2-year-old can do. Now, if you have been watching my channel for a little while now, you know I have a little 2-year-old little boy. His name is Silas, and one of the things that we have been trying to incorporate in this precious little boy is a good work ethic. And though I don't want to overburden him with so much work, but there are things that I want to instill in him right from the very young age. He needs to know how to work. My husband and I feel like children nowadays can sometimes be left to just play video games and watch TV and do all kinds of stuff like that, but then they're never expected to do certain things in the home. Our home is a unit. We are a family unit. And in that unit, each person has a different job to do for our home to run. Everybody has a duty, and that duty helps our home run. And so Silas has certain duties in our home that he has to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the chores that Silas does. Okay, go ahead and put your clothes in the hamper. Good job. Silas, I want you to put the stuff away in your drawer. Put it away. Pick it up. Come on. Where does it go? Pick it up. Keep going. Where does it go? Job. High five. Good job. Okay, you can go. Okay, Silas, do you think you could set the table? Yeah? Okay, go get your plate. Get your plate. Not a bowl. Okay, a plate. A plate. There you go. Okay. And you don't need a fork today. Okay. Silas, can you get Mommy and Daddy's plate?
Yeah.
Can you put Mommy and Daddy's plate on? There's one for Daddy. No, take Daddy's. Yep, there you go. Take that one for Mommy. Your plate and put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Silas, in the sink. Where does it go? Okay. Good job. Okay, Silas, I want you to go get your coat. Go get your coat. Where's your coat? Good job. Okay. Now let's go to the door. Okay, we're gonna take the recycling out to the road. Okay, thank you for being a big helper. Mommy has to help help him with this. One day, you will be able to do it all on your own. But for now, Mommy helps. Come here. Let's go get more. What's up? I love being able to see Silas learn new things, and these chores that he's done, like putting away the clothes and putting away the dishes and things along those lines, have always been so exciting to see him learn how to do. And now that he is a little older than when we started these, and he's been doing them for a little while now, you know what? Sometimes I catch him, like he gets up from the table and I don't have to actually tell him, go put your plate in the sink. He actually does it. And there's a lot of times where we'll put his clothes onto the floor, and that's where he picks his clothes up and puts them into the basket, because we usually change him on the change table. And it's so sweet to have put those clothes onto the floor, and you put him down off of the change table and he grabs the clothes and he goes and puts them in the laundry hamper. Things like that, where he does it on his own because it's just a habit and it's something that he's grown into doing. And these are things that we're trying to teach our son. We really want him to be a good worker, and we want him to have a good cleanliness to him, and just a way of keeping his room clean and knowing all of these life things before he gets older. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, I know you hear this a dozen times if you watch my videos. You can hit that red subscribe button down below and go ahead and hit that little bell. That little bell will tell you when I have a new video up, and then I can see you there. So I will catch you in my next video, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.